Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chuck Billy here. I'm very proud to introduce to you at LordVaporUSA.com the War Drum. It's the second generation Chief product here, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration on what you're going to get once it arrives in the mail. It's going to come in a very cool little discreet box. It's going to come packaged with the Chief and a little red package here. It's going to be the Chief Chuck Billy hashtag. You want to use that, but once you open it up here, let's see what we got. I think you guys are going to dig this. Very cool. So, it's got a little hook you can hook on your backpack for travel. It also has a couple little hooks here. You can actually put a lock on it if you want to keep it out of the children's reach. So let's open it up, check it out. It's very cool here. It's embroidered in the front. Very cool. Let me flip it around here. So what's going to come inside here, again, you're going to have the signed trading card from me, some personal info on the back, the user's guide, power cord, cleaning tools. You're also going to get replacement screens for the mouthpiece. Also, this is very cool, the little pop-up that comes in there. Very cool. Just pop it on, pop it off. Wait, it's not popping on and off. It didn't pop. Okay. That one gave me a little rough time. But that's it. Pop it, comes right off. Squeeze it on the outside. It's got some cool graphics on it. There it is. And of course, most important right here, the War Drum itself. Get yours today at LordVaporUSA.com.
Away with our children.